Hello everyone, this is Swastika from IIST Kharghar. Because of this viral environment, we are unable to assist you at our center. But we all the academic advisors, our trainers, our placement officers are there to assist you over the phone calls and emails. Today we are here to discuss about the Python programming language. But before that, let me give you a short introduction about IIST Kharghar. IIST Kharghar started its journey in 2012. It has two branches in Navi Mumbai. One is at Kharghar, another one is at Vashi. Till date, we trained 8,000 candidates and placed our 1,500 students in IT sector. You can visit our website, that is www.iiht-kharghar.com for more info. You can check our reviews in Sulekha, in Google, in Just Dial, in Yet5 and in Urban Pro. You can connect with us through our Facebook page, that is IIST-Kharghar. So now let's come to the topic, that is Python programming language. Python is for everyone. It is a versatile programming language. If you wish to build your career in IT without any prior IT experience or any prior knowledge of programming languages, Python is the best option for you. Working professionals or tech graduates, those who are willing to build their career in data science, machine learning, and in artificial intelligence, Python is the foundation course for them. Python recognized as the official language by Google. After completion of this course, you can get profiles like Python developer, data analyst, product manager, financial advisor, or even as an educator. Now, why IIST Kharghar? We provide 100% classroom-based training. Our trainers are having 9+ years of experience. Regular and weekend batch mode are available. Student-friendly timings. And the most important thing, placement assistance is there for everyone. To register for this Python training, you can call us on 7666 44 or in 9321551234. Now you are thinking why I am asking you to do registration in this season. IIST Kharghar launched Stay Home Stay Safe scheme. If you register under this scheme, you can avail your Python programming language at 50% discount. And what you will get after registration? Once you register with us, we will provide you LED course content along with doubt clearing sessions through our experts over the phone calls and emails as per your convenient time. So, make this lockdown session into an innovation session and build up your skill to secure your career. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and scale up. Thank you.